Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karina here with another video. Today's video is going to be on this hair. So this is actually a half wig from FreeTress from the beauty supply store. That costs $20 in the sale section. So I'm going to show you guys today how to style this in multiple different ways. So if you're interested, keep watching. Alright, so before we get into this, I just wanted to let you guys know, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will be doing a lot more videos. I'm trying to pump out as many as possible before the end of the year and going into 2021 with a bang. So, any support is greatly appreciated. Alright, so this hair is from FreeTress. It is called their Poly Girl half wig. It has a drawstring, like a pleat drawstring in the back, so you can wear it kind of as a half wig. You can wear it down here, you can wear it up here, you can wear it wherever you want. And this is from the beauty supply store. Honestly, I am one of those people that go in there and go straight to the sale section. I don't even look at the regular price wigs because that shit be costing like $80–90 over here. So I go over to the sale section and I see what I can work with. So this one was in the sale section I want to say months ago, but again, this video is basically to show you that you can wear cheap wigs that cost $20. Any one of them that you find in the sale section, you can style it in multiple ways to look like this, because this hairstyle looks like a lot of the girls that you be seeing on Instagram. I'll try to insert pictures throughout the video so you guys can see. My inspiration really comes from those hairstyles. I'm like, ooh, that's a cute style, but how the fuck am I gonna do that? You know what I mean? And here is a video to show you guys that you guys can, there's endless possibilities with your $20 wig. So if you're interested, just keep watching and you guys will see about 3 or 4 different styles on how I style this wig and allow it to look like this. And let's just talk about the fact that, like, realistically, like, no one could tell me this is not my hair. Like, you know what I'm trying to say? So if you're interested, just keep watching. Just watch the video. Alright guys, so before we get into the video itself, I just want to show you guys the hair that I'll be using. So I am using literally just a random sale half wig. It is from the FreeTress Equal drawstring full cap Poly Girl style in 1B. So it looks like this. You can see that. And honestly, it was like 20 bucks, right? So from a tool perspective, I have my straightener, I have a rat tail comb, I have a brush, and I have a pair of scissors, which I'm not sure why I have these because I don't need. A wide tooth comb just to comb through my hair if there's any tangles, and then your choice of gel or edge control. And that's basically it. And any little accessories you may want to put in your hair, but honestly, these are all things that you should already have at home. You don't need to go out and buy. So let's get right on into it.
LSA, make that bang bang.
Alright, so this is the first style, really easy. I think this is the fastest one. Literally just put on the half wig, put your hair in, you know, a few very loose curls. You can literally do it with your straightener and brush out the bottom of the hair. So this is the first look. This is more like, it's like, again, another holiday look. Again, yeah, I mean, you can wear this at any point. I've added a little bit of edge control here, nothing crazy, because like it's supposed to be more of like a sleek, simple holiday type of look, nothing like crazy baby hairs or anything like that. So really easy, very straightforward. You can do this in less, I think that took me 6 minutes to do this entire hairstyle. So Alright, so this is look 2. So this is more of like the cutesy, like you see a lot of like the hair celebrity stylists putting people in pigtails now, like making that a thing. So if you wanted to do so, this is another way you can do it with a half wig. So again, you can have those newer looks, you can have that cute little 2 ponytail hairstyle for little to nothing. And then a lot of people have like these little fuzzy hair scrunchies, so I will put them on to kind of show you guys what it would look like if you really want to go all out and make this that cutesy, really cutesy. I mean, this is more than what I would do, but there you go. So now you have that whole dream doll look, you got that whole, I don't remember the other girl's name, but ponytails, furry pieces, and everything. So that's kind of the look. So that is look 2. So here is one way of wearing it. So basically just put everything into a ponytail, and then I got the 2 pieces hanging down to give you that little side, not the side bang, but the little 2-piece bang. Very 90s-esque type of style. So this is actually a really cute hairstyle. I think I might do this for Christmas. Like, this is maybe what I wear to our mini family dinner. So this is a really cute style. I will show you one more way to kind of style this in one ponytail, but this one is probably like the easiest one outside of like leaving it down. You can really hide your actual hair in the curls in this style. So like, again, I didn't really recurl my hair for this, but you can't really tell. So let me quickly show you guys one more style. It's still an up style, but it's just this little switch up on the bang. So this is one style. So it obviously works if your hair is a little bit shorter. It goes into the style that you're looking for, but this still works for me. What is great is if you use some hairspray or a pin and pin it here. Where's my pin? So if you don't have hairspray, you can always pin here up. To give you that look that you're going for, but you will need to hairspray this part because it will drop if you don't. So here is one style. See, with the bang, very 90s-esque. Alright, and then the final look, which is still this ponytail look, but if you don't like that flip up style, you can actually just style it and pin it back behind your ear. And of course, make sure that there are no holes in your bang, no gaps. Hey, here's your last look, just like that. So again, guys, these are super easy looks. Literally just pin this behind your ear, call it a day. Make sure your baby hairs are on point, swooping, feeling fly, doing what they need to do, and you literally have a whole look just like that. One wig, 20 bucks. How many different styles did I just show you? I literally showed you like 6, but like 3 main styles. So really straightforward, really easy to wear. It's covering all the tracks, no one can see anything, and that's that.